You can install your Fox lock like this or like this. Welcome to the channel. Today we are going to do a Fox lock installation using two methods. There are about three methods in which you can actually install your Fox lock, but for the purpose of this video, we're going to be doing a two-way method for Fox lock installation. She needed something very light, so obviously I had to cut the hair a bit bigger because she has been on low cut for a while and she didn't want anything that would be too heavy for the first time in a long while making her hair. So I decided to go with this. So the first thing I did was to weave out the hair, like do braids, make a braid on the hair using, I actually used wool to braid the hair because the hair was extremely short. You can actually make use of the hair without any extensions. So because the hair was short, I needed to make use of an extension. Hence the reason why I added an extension to the hair. So after sectioning the braids for the hair, the next thing you have to do is to start installing your first lock. But before we do that, guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing my video for the first time, you are highly welcome. And please do ensure to subscribe and then turn on your post notification bell so you get notified anytime I post a new video. And then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys. Please like. It will actually help others to find this video. Thank you very much. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome again to the channel. Please watch the video, guys. It's very self-explanatory, but at some point I'll just explain where necessary. Enjoy this video, guys. second method is actually very fast. After passing the first lock underneath the hair using your crochet pin like so, the next thing is to gently hide the braid. I don't know if that makes sense. As in, what you just do is to pass your crochet pin through the middle of your locks and then put the braids and gently pull out like so. Just pull out through the middle like this. So by so doing, you're actually hiding the braid. So you're concealing the braid so it doesn't show. And then you don't have any reason to either thread underneath the hair because it's going to be very neat doing it like this. So you do it again gently. I did it first time, so we're going to be doing it again the second time to conceal it the more and then increase the length in which we are going to be concealing the hair again. So pull it out like so. So if you notice that we're actually hiding the hair the more, so go again, pull it through the middle and then put the braids on the hook and then pull it out gently through the middle again. So by so doing, as you can see, we had actually succeeded in hiding the braids. So that's the second one. So this is how the hair is looking. The front part, I made it like this. And then for the back part, I used the second method. So choose the one you'd prefer. But for me, I'd go with the front part because it is actually very fast. It's faster, saves time. And I think it's finer. Depends on what you want. Thank you all for watching. See you in my next video. Bye.